Chapter 20. Our historical monuments. Anything that we inherit from our ancestors, such as customs, traditions, art, literature, or monuments, is our heritage. Heritage is a part of the tradition that is passed down through the generations. Monuments built in our country are an integral part of India's rich cultural heritage. Ashoka Pillar. Emperor Ashoka ruled India more than 2000 years ago. He is considered one of the greatest emperors of India. After witnessing horrors of the Kalinga War, he became a Buddhist and devoted himself to the spread of Buddhism. Ashoka became a believer of non-violence, love, truth and tolerance when he adopted the Buddhist faith. Ashoka Pillar at Sarnath. Emperor Ashoka constructed hospitals for humans as well as animals and built major roads throughout India. We know about his work from the inscriptions he had ordered to be carved on pillars and rocks throughout North India. The Ashoka Pillar at Sarnath is the most popular monument made by Ashoka. This pillar records the visit of the emperor to Sarnath in around 3rd RD century BCE. On the pillar, there are the carvings of 4 lions, each facing the 4 cardinal directions. This carving is the national emblem of India. The Ashok Chakra depicted in the center of the Indian flag was adopted from the 24-spoke Dharma wheel, also carved on the Ashoka pillar. Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is the highest stone tower in the world. It is one of the most prominent landmarks and tourist places of Delhi. It is built of red sandstone and is 72.5 meter high. Its structure was started by the slave dynasty ruler Qutb-ud-Din Aibak, but after his death, it was completed by his successor Iltutmish. It is said that the Qutub Minar had 7 stories originally, but now there are only 5 stories. The 5th had been built with white marble. Each story has a balcony. There is a narrow spiral staircase that whirls up to the top. The walls bear inscriptions of verses from the Holy Quran. Qutub Minar. Iron Pillar. Near the Qutub Minar compound, there is the Iron Pillar of the Gupta Empire. It has remained rust-free for the last 2300 years even in extreme climatic conditions of Delhi. Hawa Mahal. It is a beautiful palace situated in Jaipur, Rajasthan. It is also known as the Palace of Vines because the building has small balconies that maintain a constant flow of cool breeze from their windows.